Hello guys, welcome to Space Science Channel. And today's episode we will see some facts about the moon that may amaze you. So let's start. And the fact first is the dark side of a moon is a myth. Actually there is no dark side. Okay, let's see what is this. There is a part of the moon that we don't see from the earth. Okay, as the moon always keep the same side facing towards us, that side isn't actually always dark, but because not much is known about it, and it's seen as a bit mysterious, and that's why the name dark is given. But a better name that is often used is the far side of the moon instead of the dark side of the moon. And the fact too is that the moon is drifting away from us at the rate of 3.8 centimeter per year or 1.5 inch per year. Okay, about 4.5 billion years ago, the moon was nearly 16 times closer to Earth than it was today. And in upcoming millions years, it will be escape the Earth's gravity and move into space. That is something bad will happen with our moon. So you know that the mankind has reached the moon and they actually walk on the moon. But do you know that actually how many people or the number of people which are walk on the moon? And this is our third fact. The total number of men walk on the moon is only 12. And they all are American men. The first man set to the foot on the moon in 1969 was Neil Armstrong on the Apollo 11 mission, while the last man to walk on the moon in 1972 was Gene Cernan on Apollo 17 mission. And since then the moon has only been visited by the unmanned vehicles. You may thought that why are people not going to moon? To set a manned mission to the moon it requires lots of money. So they use unmanned missions now. And the fact 4 is that the moon has no atmosphere. On the moon, there is no air to breathe, no fridges to make the flag planets there by the Apollo astronauts' radars. However, there is a very thin layer of gases on the lunar surface that can be almost be called atmosphere. Technically, it is considered an exosphere. And technically, moon has no atmosphere. Fact fifth is that the moon is the fifth largest natural satellite in our solar system. But as compared to the Saturn and Jupiter's moon, the size of our moon is very small. But technically, it is the fifth largest natural satellite in our solar system right now. Fact number 6 is that the first spacecraft to reach the moon was Luna in 1959. This was the Soviet craft which was launched from USSR. It passes within a 5,995 km of the surface of the moon before going to orbit around the sun. And fact number 7 is that the moon has moonquakes like earthquakes, and it was discovered by the Apollo astronauts. And this is it for today's guys. Comment me which fact do you know and which you know, and tell me which is interesting, and again tell me what you need in upcoming episodes. I'm waiting for you, and thank you for watching.